Hi friends, welcome to Tech Blog. Today we are going to install Laravel framework with Apache on Ubuntu 20.04 LTS. It will give you feelings of production environment while developing your application in local environment. As you all know, Laravel is a powerful web application framework. At the time of recording this video, Laravel latest version is 8.13 and Laravel 8.13 requires PHP 7.3 or greater version. So we can segregate the entire setup with 5 major steps as follows. Step 1. Install Apache web server. Step 2. Install and configure PHP 7.3 or greater version. Step 3. Install Composer PHP package management. Step 4. Install Laravel on Ubuntu. And step 5. Finally configure Apache for Laravel and test it. Let's open up terminal and do first things first to update your package list using sudo apt update command. After updating your package list, install Apache web server. So go ahead and type sudo apt install apache 2, then hit enter key. Press Y key to proceed further. You can also set up Laravel with Nginx instead of Apache web server. You can see installation completed. Now check the status of Apache server, whether it running or not. Just type system control status Apache 2. Now open up a web browser and type localhost, and here it is. The default Apache web page is serving. Get back to terminal and it's time to install PHP. Also, you can check out this video how to handle multiple PHP on a single server. Click on I button over here. Go ahead and install PHP and required modules for Laravel. Press Y key to proceed. It will take a while to complete installation. You can check your PHP version using php version. Here it is. Now go ahead and make a tweak change in PHP ini file. Set cgi.fixPathInfo set to be 0. Let's describe it. If this number is kept as 1, the PHP interpreter will do its best to process the file that is as near to the requested file as possible. This is a possibly security risk. If this number is set to be 0, conversely, the interpreter will only process the exact file path. A much safer alternative. Press Ctrl W and search for the word cgi.fix and uncomment the line and set it to be 0. Press Ctrl plus X then Y to save and exit. Now restart the Apache service using System Control Restart Apache 2. Here you can see sudo authentication required. Type your password and authenticate. Now it's time to install Composer Package Manager. Go ahead and download and install the Composer. As you can see here, my system does not have CURL installed. So first we need to install CURL. Just type sudo apt install CURL. Now try again. Yeah, here it is. It started. Now move the composer.for file to user local bin composer directory. You can check your installed composer version by typing composer -- version. Here you can see my version is 2.8.4. Now install Laravel using Composer. Just type composer global required Laravel/installer. It will take a while to complete download its dependencies. As you had seen, all packages have been installed on the home config composer directory. Next, we need to add the bin directory to path environment through the basher configuration. So now edit the basher configuration using nano command. Add the following line at the end of file. Now reload your basher file using source command. Just type source.basher. Now echo $path. It will return your bin directory path for your composer package. The bin directory for composer package has been added to the path environment variable, and as a result you can use the command Laravel to start and create a new project. Now go ahead and type Laravel new then your project name to start a new Laravel project. In my case, my project name is myapp1. This will take a while to download all dependencies required by Laravel. Here you can see the installation of my new project myapp1 finished. You can also see inside my home directory a new directory has been created with my project name. So finally configure Apache for your Laravel and test it. First add your project directory to www.data group. Use the following command sudo chgrp -r. R means recursive way, then your project path. Recursive means all subdirectories and files under your project directory become changed to www.data group. Also, you need to change access permission of storage directory under your project. So go ahead and use the following command. Now create an Apache virtual host configuration. Go to following directory and create a vhost configuration file using nano file editor and paste the following line inside the file. This is my project directory. To learn more about vhost configuration, click on I button above. Now enable mod rewrite for Apache 2. Just type sudo a2nmod rewrite. Similarly, enable your site. Just type sudo a2nsite your vhost configuration file name. In my case, that is myapp1.com. Finally, restart the Apache service. Type system control restart Apache 2. As you are in a local environment, you need a local DNS resolver for your site. Go ahead and edit /etc/host file. Add a DNS record for your site, then save the file. Now get back to web browser and open a tab and then type your project host name. And here it is, it's working. Here you can see Laravel version and PHP version over here. So from here, open your project directory with Sublime editor or any PHP editor and create amazing projects for your clients. Hope this video helpful to you. Please like and share this video. Leave comment if you have any question. Also click on subscribe button to encourage us and get latest update. Thank you. Bye bye.